When we have doubt, we will not move forward. So the big question is, in 20 years, where do you see yourself? Do you really want to be right where you are right now with nothing have ever changed? And to that end, I'm going to help you answer those questions. Right now, click the link below in the description and come to the workshop page. And in there, you're going to find a button and you can schedule a free consult call. So, are you pressed in on every side with conflict and confusion and inability to take action to really make things happen in your life? Perhaps you're ready for something totally different. Are you ready to live that free lifestyle? There certainly is no better foundation anywhere than taking a home that you build with your own hands, something that's unique, something that you've done, something that's richly rewarding, and giving yourself the power to form a new life for yourself in a new fashion that's different from everything else you've ever done. Have you finally reached a place where it's time for freedom, time for some room to grow and expand and change your life? If you've reached that point where you're ready to take action, then I would encourage you to not lose that momentum, but instead start moving forward, start expanding your possibilities. Now, I know that it can be difficult, confusing, even overwhelming to move into doing something that you've never done before. There are so many questions that arise. There's so many doubts and fears in our mind. And I know because I teach people how to build their own homes starting at just $26 per square foot, finished and ready to move into. Usually these doubts keep people from taking action. They keep people from moving from a place where they're cramped. They don't feel like they've got enough room. They don't got the ability in their life to move forward. And to that end, I'm going to help you answer those questions. Right now, click the link below in the description and come to the workshop page. And in there, you're going to find a button and you can schedule a free consult call. You enter in the best time for you to receive a call and the best days of the week, and I will return a call to you and personally give you 15 minutes of free consulting to answer all of those questions that you may have, as well as address all the fears you might have of something unknown like an alternative building that is AirCrete. Whatever your questions are, I'm going to help you answer and resolve those questions. So if you've been considering attending a workshop, or maybe it's something that resonates with you, something that you would like to do, if you're ready to get the space in your life to move forward, to get the knowledge, to get the answers, then I encourage you to click the link below in the description and take us up on this free consulting call and get your questions answered so that you can get moving forward. Because it's only human nature that we want safety. We want to know that what we're going to do is going to work. Or we have doubts about ourselves or belief patterns that limit our ability to take that action. When we have doubt, we will not move forward. So the big question is, in 20 years, where do you see yourself? Do you really want to be right where you are right now with nothing have ever changed? Because in order for things to change in your life, things are going to have to change. And I am here to help you make that change. Let's get together. Let's remove those roadblocks of fears and doubts and insecurities, those things that you just don't know about, those nagging questions in the back of your mind, or those questions that because you're just looking at AirCrete as something entirely new, a whole new way to not only live your life, but a whole new construction material to build around your life that will be the foundation from which you can go out and do all those amazing things with all that time, all that freedom, and all that extra income, and perhaps even just escaping the new normal that's coming with all the tremendous inflation, devaluing of our money from printing of it, as well as the lack that is now out there in society. And I want to give you real answers that are going to put you in a secure place where you will know that you're ready to move forward. So click that link in the description and schedule your call, and I'll talk to you soon.